Okay, so we are at week 13, assignment 3. As we have talked about before, this week it is about vocabulary, and we're actually learning about the icons that go along with Microsoft Word. So in Word, you have all of these little pictures that when you put your cursor on them, it will tell you what it does. These are icons, and as you can see, there are many, 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 many different ones that you could have for the icons. So we're going to be working on some of the icons, the ones that are used more frequently. So to practice them, you can go here to where the practice is and take you to Kia. If it comes up and it asks you for Flash, you might have to look right up here. It might say blocked plugin. And then you can go ahead and allow it, and then you'll be able to play. There is only one game this week, and it is because it is very hard to play a game, any game. The Battleship or Hangman, etc. is just hard to play when you have icons. So it is matching this week, or you can go to a list of terms and you can see all of the terms and the icons. Once you are ready to take the quiz, which you may take one time only, it is a quiz, just like if you were sitting in class taking a quiz. You'll go to the quiz and it is a matching, and if you go down here to the bottom, you find the word, and then you take and you put it wherever it goes. When you're done, you will hit review, and then you can hit submit. As always, if you have any questions, please message me, and have fun and good luck.